My name's Allen Hart, and today I'm going to show you some basic things to check before you call out a gas engineer or plumber if your boiler's not working. So I've got a few different boilers. I've got an Ideal Logic here, and I've got a few other boilers in the other room. So I'm going to go through some different faults, and also when customers phone me up, some of the common things that is faulty and don't need a gas engineer to go out. So just DIY tips that you can do yourself should you have a problem. So let's have a look now. So I'm going to show you on a few different types of boiler. So we've got a Glowworm here. If you find that your display is blank on the front of the boiler, then just go and have a look at your spur and make sure the electrical isolation is turned on. So a very common fault is that gets knocked off with towels in airing cupboard, or if it's in kitchen, kettles and microwaves and stuff just knocking onto it. So just check that you've got your power on to the boiler. So you've checked that you've got the power, then you need to check that your controls are calling for heat. So try and find your timer. There's all different types of timers, but try and find your timer and then make sure that's turned on. And then next thing to do is go and find your room stat. So if you've got a room thermostat, so we're going to have a look at that now, see if we can find one. So we found the thermostat. On this one, the thermostat is turned down. If we turn the thermostat up, then hopefully that would fire the boiler up. So you just need to check that is turned higher than the temperature of the room for it to come on. So obviously the higher it is, the warmer the room should get. So let's have a look at some other common issues now. You can also check that you've got gas. It may be that you've got a gas tap in an understairs cupboard or something like that, and it might have been knocked off with a box. You might put something away, or it may be that you've got a gas token meter and you just need to get some credit for it. So go top your credit up, re-establish that, and then hopefully that might help you as well. We'll go and have a look back under the boiler now. So I've got another few tips that might help you as well. So let's go and have a look at them now. Another thing to check is the pressure gauge on the front of the boiler. So it may be that your pressure gauge is low, like this one is, and then that might just need topping up. So I have done quite a few videos on how to top up central heating combi boilers, so you can check out one of them. I'll add one in the link below, but I'll go through that now as well. If you did find that your pressure was low, then it may be that you need to top up the pressure. So you may need to find a filling loop like this one, and there's all different types. So sometimes they're built in to the boiler as well. So on an Ideal Logic, they're built in to the boiler there, and then on this one, that's just a flexible connector. So if you're going to fill this system up, all you do is open the taps, open this one and open this one. Do that very slowly, and then you'd look at your pressure gauge on the front of the boiler, and then you'd get that back up to about 1 bar, making sure that you don't put too much pressure in. So I'll show you in front of that now with the pressure on. On this Valent, we've topped the pressure up, and then if we have a look at the front gauge, we can see now that the pressure is back up. So hopefully you've got your boiler back up and running now. Please remember, if you're going to work on a gas boiler, if you're going to take the combustion case off, you must be gas safe registered. I would never endorse anybody working on gas unless you're safe to do so and you're competent to do so. I hope this video was of some use. If you've got any questions, please add them in comments below, and I'll do what I can to help and answer any questions. Thanks for watching.